Welcome. In this video, I'll show how to change the Captions background color on the Facebook app when using it on your PC. This is part of the latest update, and the steps are quick once you know where to look. First, go ahead and open the Facebook app on your computer. Once it loads, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From there, find and select Display and Accessibility. This section controls how Facebook looks and behaves visually, including accessibility features. Next, click on Accessibility Settings. This will take you into a more detailed panel where you can adjust features designed to improve your viewing experience. Now, look for the option called Video and Motion and click on it. This is where Facebook keeps settings related to how videos appear, including captions. Inside Video and Motion, find Captions Display and select it. Once you're in, you'll see several customization options for captions. Locate background color and click on it. You'll now be able to choose a color that works best for you. Whether you prefer a darker background for better contrast or a lighter one for a softer look, pick the option that suits your preference. After choosing your desired background color, make sure to click Save so your changes are applied. And that's it. Your captions will now display with the new background color you selected, making them easier to read and more comfortable for your viewing experience. If this helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this to stay updated with the latest Facebook features.